What kind of insurance do I need as a vendor? Trying to figure out also how much is a food vendor insurance, Damien? How am I going to find this? It's the most confusing thing to do is look for business insurance. Who needs food insurance anyways?
Well, as a matter of fact, there is, and it's called TIVLY. And I'm going to show you a resource that's going to cut down the time and confusion about insurance for your food business. Let's dive into it right now. Hey guys, so I'm actually here in my commercial kitchen and I wanted to do a video in regards to insurance for your food business. If you're looking to expand or if you're just launching a food business, one thing that has plagued me for the past 14 years is trying to figure out exactly what type of insurance I needed for different events, different food products, and different platforms. Like if you're selling online, if you're on Amazon, or even if you're looking to sell into retail stores, guess what? You need a variety, if not several different types of insurances for those food businesses, and it can be beyond confusing. It was the number one thing that drove me crazy when I first started in our brick and mortar Italian bakery. So today though, I'm actually super excited in regards to showing you a resource that I've come across. And as a matter of fact, it's the sponsor of today's video. It's called TIVLY. Now TIVLY actually takes the confusion out of figuring out what type of insurance you need. And not only that, but working with over 200 different types of insurances, it actually can figure out what one is best for your needs. Now, I'm actually going to show you exactly how this works, and it's actually pretty cool because it literally takes a matter of a few minutes. Now, just got to understand, TIVLY doesn't actually sell the insurance itself. They're not insurance brokers or insurance agents. They are literally a platform that within a matter of a few minutes can direct you. You can get insurance through them with the right insurance coverage, whatever the event might be. If you happen to be a food truck, if you happen to be going to a farmer's market, something I learned over the years is one size insurance doesn't fit all, not in the food industry. I can tell you that for sure. And if you're looking to sell on Amazon or eBay or Walmart, you got to have a specific type of insurance and even have them on your rider for your insurance policy. It can get very confusing. So let me run over my computer. I'm going to show you, I'm literally going to live record how it actually works in a matter of minutes, showing you specifically the insurance coverage that you'll need and directing you to the insurance programs for those different companies. So as I mentioned, I found a great website resource, and this can actually help with any type of food business that you're looking at because it can be quite confusing as to what kind you'll need. So TIVLY actually makes it super simple to find the right specific coverages with the right specific insurance company. So I went over to TIVLY and I'm actually going to go ahead and literally do a live record here and show you how simple this actually is. And I kind of wish I knew this probably about 10 years ago. But you go right over here, we have two, there's business and personal insurance. So I click on to this really simple drop-down menu. And again, if you're not sure, simply tick the boxes that you think of the things that you might need, and they're going to direct you. Now, the great thing is you can also give them a call really quick. Let me show you. You can speed it up. You can give them a call here. They answer literally about 4 or 5 questions. Very, very simple. It takes a few minutes, and they'll literally direct you to the right one. So I'm going to check general liability. So I think I'm also going to need property insurance. We're going to be looking to do some mobile food trucks with potential opportunity to sell our baked goods locally. But this is an endeavor that's something relatively new as far as the insurance for this goes, so I'm really not 100% sure. Business owners policy, yes. Workers' compensation if you have employees, which I probably will have some people working with us. Commercial auto, that would probably be for the food truck as well, or the mobile unit. So let me go ahead and tick that. And I think that's good for right now. So let's go in here, select, and then now you gotta just put your zip code in. Get started. All right, fantastic. We'll do our full name. And then the next step, number of employees. Let me just put 2 for now. Years owner and experience, about 14 years. And the final step, let's see. Wow, that was pretty fast. Wow, look at that. Okay, so these are all of the insurance companies that offer those specific coverages that I actually checked in the box. That is how fast it was. Wow, that was ridiculously fast, as a matter of fact. So yeah, the Hartford, these are big names too as well. These companies have been around for quite some time. So the other thing I was going to tell you really quick, looking at some information on here, they've actually insured over 1 million small businesses, which was amazing, which kind of mind blew me. I didn't know that they did that, but they have over 1 million. They're also better business rated, as by the way, A plus business rated. So TIVLY has a lot going for it. If you've never heard of them, you definitely need to check out TIVLY.com. As a matter of fact, I'll put a link down into the comments section below the video, as well as in the description section. You can check it out there. But yeah, they've got a ton of coverage companies available. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Progressive has a ton of different ones here. And you simply can just get a quote. You tick on this box, and then you're up and running. They're going to send you exactly what it is. So literally in a matter of less than a couple of minutes, it says on the website that you can probably do it in about 10 minutes. To be honest with you, that was even faster than 10 minutes. So TIVLY.com is a great resource. I thought many of you, whether you're opening a food truck business, a bakery, it doesn't even matter. If you're selling a packaged food product, you want to get onto retail store shelves in grocery stores, you definitely want to check out TIVLY.com. You put in all of that information. Now, again, if you're not sure, and let's say you tick a few of those boxes, but you have a couple more questions about maybe potential other coverages, you can just give them a call, and that's super simple there. Give them a buzz and say, look, I have additional things that I'm not really sure I might need to add on to. Or you can just get your quote and then contact directly to that insurance company. Before, the reason why I wanted to bring this resource to you guys is that for me, years ago, I would go to Google, and just Googling is not exactly the best way to do this. And here's why. Once you Google, like, and I need insurance for my food business, or I need insurance for my food truck, it's going to bring up a ton of websites, which are just randomized websites, and you have to go through them as the consumer, as the small business owner, and then kind of go through each one of them, call everybody to figure out who actually has them. Because the thing of it is, every insurance company doesn't have a specific type of coverage for what you need as a food entrepreneur. Okay, this is fantastic because TIVLY actually does the work on the back end. You just basically type in what you need, give them an idea of the coverages, and instantaneously their software pairs you up. Now keep in mind too, they're not insurance sellers. They don't actually sell insurance. They're simply just the middleman to show you that from your needs to the companies that provide those coverages, they're going to bring it to you almost instantly. So TIVLY, there you go. There you have it. It's super fast and simple. And with those 2 pages, 3 pages worth of simple questions, you have in an instant dozens and dozens. This is amazing. That will help you out. So all in all, that's it. If you have questions about TIVLY, let me know down below. Of course, and check those links. And you can literally do this from any state that you're in. You want to definitely go ahead and check it out. Type in your information, and you'll be up and running soon. So it is a really great resource, guys.